Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Zara KK aka the young YouTuber in Highland. Please guys, if today is your first time to come across this my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe, press the notification bell. Anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first person to see it. If you are my returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. Bye bye.
My name is Jennifer Okuro Efimere. I be 20 years old and I be 200 level student of finance, and this is now where I get my urgent 2K. I started to work here because I need money, and because no be only me my parents born. So I not fit they leave the whole work put for their head. And what my parents they do, no they pay them well. So I can say I find something they do for school now. I take and they support myself and my parents. So they take and buy materials and textbooks for or anything what we need for inside school. I started to do this work by last month. Time we start exam, now I can see this work. My perfect vex, but I can't convince and say, girl, you take vex because we need the money of things will be they happen for us. So you can talk say okay, no wahala, but say after a while, I might stop the work because say it's not too the healthy for my body. The work hard though, I no lie, the work hard. As they walk out from here, carry sand or granite or block from here, go third floor, no be my. The time I be first see this work, I be not tell my friends because I the reason say they feel no like or whether they will laugh me. But I can't do the work now as they pass, they can't see me and they can't laugh. If I can't go inside school, time when they write exam, or can't they ask me any question, can't they laugh me for inside class. But me not reason now because they pay me money and I not take and they beg people now. And it make me no reason whether people they laugh me for the kind of work me they do or not. I'm not sure for any work where they bring better money or as far as saying a legal work and no go against any moral principles or anything. No shame. Person of the shame for waiting they say see in daily bread chop. When I come work, the only thing where they always do my mind be say, "Ma collect my money at the end of the day." Cause you get this kind of feeling where they always come when you see money for your hand. See the sweet person where I don't like the way men they treat me for here, the way they work for here, they treat me well, they treat me nice. From the engineer to the carpenters, everybody where they work for, even people who senior me where they treat me well. They don't they laugh me or they encourage me say, "What now they do good?" Say, "Ma continue they do." If they come for money, I know they chop come. And after I don't first work from money, they reach that kind 2. I can't rest. And that's how they go break. Can't rest, come buy bread and soft drink now. And I don't have the few person below say this kind of bouquet one. I have the sweet pass. And I chop the bread, I take. So just they take our cooler get. After that, I can't continue because do that kind of work. You give it straight away, sha. The few person below like beans. The lowest money I don't collect for here na 1,250, and the highest money I don't collect for here na 4K. The way I say they share the money where they pay me, say I always save better money, big money come up for inside. Like if they pay me 4K now, I say like 3K, I'll use 1K to chop for that day. Then the 3K what I save, I take and buy whether na textbook or materials for inside school. I know say other ways they to take get money as a woman, but I can't choose this kind of one because say this one they quick pay and this one better pass. Cause as a girl, if I choose me, I'll go they do runs. My parents know they're proud of me. My parents will shame for me, and apart from that, I'll lose my own self-respect. My dreams big go. Waiting me be the dream where I won't become for life. Say after I graduate, I would like to work for bank. And apart from that, I hope and pray say I work for stock exchange markets, and as God go do and by God's grace, for the CBN or IMF, and then IS maybe last I come become the next DG of WTO like Dr. Okonjo-Iweala and that kind of thing.
I wet the bed since I was small. no be say I dey dry for some years I come start to wet the bed. I don dey wet bed since I was young. As the thing dey happen, we dey try everything. Myself, my parents and my family members, dem dey do everything for me. My grandma, she tried a lot. She go market, she go buy anything wey people tell am say make she buy, she go buy. Dem buy something wey dem dey call electric fish. Dem come buy some strange leaves wey I no fit mention because I dey small then. So dem come cook the thing as concoction for me, the traditional concoction. Dem come talk say make I eat am. No be delicious meal at all. I no get choice. I take the thing. E get to a stage then go tell me say make I urinate on top hot charcoal. Say if I dey sleep and I wan wet the bed, I go dream about urinating on the hot charcoal. And as I dey dream about it, fear go catch me. I go stand up from my sleep and urinate. But all those things no happen. Another one wey I try, dem talk say make I go dey grinding stone. The grinding stone wey these Yoruba people dey use. Dem go talk say make I kneel down and pray. Grinding stone, oh, I'm going to sleep this night, oh, make I no wet the bed. I do that one too. Nothing happen. I get one aunt like that, my mother's younger sister. She go take me to church. We go collect perfume water. I go drink am. I drank perfume water for so long, yet the thing no change. I enter secondary school. The thing still continue. I come dey think say how a secondary school girl like me go dey wet the bed. After secondary school, I was thinking that the thing go leave me after secondary school, but the thing no gree go. I enter College of Education for my NCE. As I dey there, I dey think say I don become big girl, oh, this thing go stop. So this thing continue. After NCE, it was still happening. I enter university for University of Lagos. But even right there, the thing still dey happen. As a university undergraduate, I dey wet the bed every now and then. I come dey curious, say I want to know about this thing. I come go internet. I started reading about it. I come dey read many things. I come dey know many things. Say, oh, so this thing even get medical name. So na medical disorder. I come dey see some possible causes. The things wey fit cause am. So small bladder is one of the things I can't know say I get. Now from the knowledge where I can't gather, I know say there are some food where I suppose avoid. I can't avoid those things. I can't introduce this strange alarm system too. I go set my alarm for 12, for 1, for 2, for 3, for 4 till 6 a.m. in the morning. So all of these things together can't they help me towards my success, towards my freedom journey.